In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Enter as a new line on the Telegram PC app, so you can type normally without accidentally sending your message every time you press Enter. This is a super useful setting if you write longer messages, paste formatted text, or just want better control over how your messages are sent in Telegram desktop. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open Telegram desktop on your PC. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Telegram menu, where all of the important settings are located. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the main preferences area for Telegram desktop, where you can customize how the app behaves. Next, inside Settings, click on Chat Settings. This section controls how your chats look and how messages work, so this is exactly where you need to be. Now scroll down until you find the message section. In this area, you should see the option that controls how the Enter key behaves. You will notice a setting called Send by Enter. By default, Telegram may be set up so pressing Enter sends the message right away. If you want Enter to create a new line instead, you need to change this toggle so that sending is done with Ctrl plus Enter instead. Turn on the option that changes Send by Enter to Send by Ctrl plus Enter. Once you do that, Telegram will stop sending messages when you press Enter, and instead Enter will work as a new line key while typing. This is especially helpful if you want to write multi-line messages without interruption. To send a message after typing, simply use Ctrl plus Enter instead. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Enter as a new line on Telegram desktop. Now you can type more comfortably and avoid sending messages too early. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.